At first glance, it looks like a postcard-worthy planet, a vibrant, deep blue atmosphere that makes it seem like Earth's exotic twin. But don't be fooled. Welcome to Astroracle, where we explore the vast universe together. HD 189733b is no dream vacation spot. It's hell in disguise. Its winds reach upwards of 8,700 kilometers per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. Winds this strong will strip the skin off your body within seconds. And its rain? It's not water, but molten glass, slicing sideways through the air, driven by unimaginable speed. And that's just the beginning. This exoplanet hides conditions so extreme, they defy everything we thought we knew possible. Stick around, because what you're about to hear might make this distant world the deadliest one we've ever discovered. From a distance, HD 189733b looks like a charming place, a deep blue dot glowing in the cosmic darkness, eerily reminiscent of the home we call Earth. But don't be fooled. That blue hue? It isn't the reflection of calm oceans or skies. It's the result of a nightmarish atmosphere where beauty coexists with destruction. This planet isn't a postcard from a paradise vacation. It's a silent warning. The universe's nature can be as deadly as it is beautiful. Located 64 light-years away from us, HD 189733b is one of the closest and most thoroughly studied planets outside of our solar system, also known as an exoplanet, and it's for good reason. It's an exoplanet of seemingly impossible chaos. Its atmosphere, filled with clouds of silicate particles, creates a hellish spectacle. Temperatures soar beyond 1,000 degrees Celsius, creating rain in the form of molten glass, hurled sideways by winds raging at over 7 times the speed of sound. On this exoplanet, the weather isn't just extreme, it's lethal. No spacesuit, no heat shield, no known technology could possibly survive more than a few seconds inside the atmosphere. It was the color that first caught the attention of astronomers. In 2013, the Hubble telescope revealed that HD 189733b reflects light in a hypnotic shade of cobalt blue. At a glance, one could mistake it for an oceanic world, some distant cousin to Earth. But in reality, that vivid blue comes from light scattering through an atmosphere saturated with silicate crystals, floating amid stratospheric turbulence. There are no oceans on HD 189733b, only storms where glass forms, cools, and shatters at speeds that would reduce any known material, including you, into dust. Imagine, for just a moment, attempting to walk in a storm that's blowing molten glass shards beyond the speed of sound. There is no up or down, not a moment to breathe or blink, only destruction. On 189733b, silicate particles melt in the atmosphere due to extreme temperatures. In the colder regions, they condense and fall, but not in the form of rain or hail we're familiar with on Earth. Winds moving at absurd speeds blast this glass hail sideways across the planet like a blowtorch. This phenomenon is one of a kind. No other known exoplanet has such an aggressive mix of heat, pressure, crystals, and wind. It's an environment where the simple act of existing is a fast track to death. HD 189733b sits rather close to its star at just 4.6 million kilometers away. This is about 30 times closer than the Earth is to our Sun. Because of this proximity, HD 189733b is tidally locked. This means that it always shows the same face to its star, much like the Moon does to Earth. The result is a brutal contrast between its day and night sides. On one side, a scorching cosmic furnace. On the other, an eternal night where temperatures plummet. This duality drives powerful atmospheric currents. Hot and cold air masses clash relentlessly, generating supersonic whirlwinds and glass hurling sideways across the planet without rest. A cycle of violent weather with no breaks and no balance, only speed and destruction. Although life cannot arise out of an exoplanet like this, HD 189733b has become one of the most important natural laboratories in the observable universe. It's large enough with a mass similar to Jupiter's. It's also close enough and hostile enough to give scientists a unique opportunity to put their instruments and knowledge to the test. Astrophysicist Guanghui Fu from the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory explained that although HD 189733b is uninhabitable, quote, finding hydrogen sulfide is a stepping stone to detecting this molecule on more promising worlds, end quote. It's also essential for studying the distribution of oxygen, carbon, and metals in extreme environments. Another revealing clue has been the metal content in its atmosphere. Giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn contain fewer metals than Neptune and Uranus, suggesting key differences in how they accumulated ice, rock, and gas. HD 189733b's metallicity levels seem to sit somewhere between both types of planets. This information is crucial to determine whether the mass composition correlation we observe in the solar system also applies to exoplanets. Could other extreme worlds be hiding clues about how Earth was formed? Or how common habitable planets truly are in this universe? We might think that studying such a hostile planet serves no practical purpose, but HD 189733b represents the far end of the planetary spectrum, and understanding that end is essential if we want to recognize what is truly rare or common. Every molecule detected, every spectroscopic analysis, every data point gathered from this hellscape of glass and wind adds a new piece to the cosmic puzzle. In the end, we're not just studying a planet, we're learning to understand the language the universe is speaking to us. If you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube lets you know when we upload a new video. The paradox of HD 189733b is unsettling. It shines like a polished sapphire in the darkness of space, yet chaos rules on its surface. Its beauty hides a relentless engine of destruction. It's a planet that lures you in with its looks, but would tear you apart before you could ever set foot on it. And yet, that's exactly why we're obsessed. This planet defies our instruments, our expectations, and our imaginations. It doesn't aim to kill us, but it easily could. It doesn't give us answers, but opens up entirely new questions.